Welcome to League Update, your source for what's happening across AI and tech. This past week, the AI world saw several meaningful developments, subtle on the surface, but important signs of where things are headed. At the center of the conversation are AI agents, autonomous systems designed not just to generate content or respond to questions, but to act independently, pursue goals, and make decisions within set boundaries. In other words, we're moving from tools to collaborators. OpenAI has been teasing updates to its core platform with strong speculation around a new model, likely GPT-5, that emphasizes memory, reasoning, and task persistence. These traits are foundational for building agents that can follow instructions across time and context rather than just respond to single prompts. Meanwhile, Google DeepMind pushed out an update to its Gemini family, improving multimodal performance, giving the AI a more fluid ability to understand text, images, and audio in combination. This matters because agents that can interpret the real world across formats are more versatile and human-like in their reasoning. But the innovation isn't just coming from the big players. Dozens of open source and startup-led projects are doubling down on building lightweight, task-driven agents. These are AIs you can assign a goal, like write and schedule my social posts for the week. And they'll coordinate multiple steps automatically, even choosing which tools to use along the way. Meta is also experimenting with orchestration tools that let multiple small models work together, an important step towards scalable agent collaboration. So where is this all heading? Let's fast forward 12 months. One of the clearest trends is agent as assistant. Instead of asking ChatGPT one question at a time, imagine a persistent AI that manages your daily life, scheduling meetings, replying to emails with your tone, making purchases within set limits, or even creating entire reports based on your workflow. We'll also likely see the rise of agent networks, multiple AI agents communicating and working in tandem. One might gather data, another synthesizes it, a third generates content, and a fourth publishes it, all behind the scenes. Memory and long-term context are improving quickly. Today, models tend to forget who you are between chats, but soon, agents will remember your preferences, routines, style, and even past interactions, creating experiences that feel more like working with a consistent, thoughtful assistant rather than a reset every time chatbot. Agents will also become more integrated, living inside your apps, browser, desktop, and even smart devices. They'll transition smoothly between tools and environments, following you throughout your digital day without having to be manually reactivated. And when it comes to creativity, agents will take on roles that go far beyond idea generation. Think screenwriting, video editing, branding, illustration, publishing, and even music production, handled autonomously or in collaboration with a human. But as capabilities rise, so do questions. Who gets to build these agents, and on what data are they trained? What kind of decisions should they be allowed to make? And who holds the leash when something goes wrong? Will we be assigning agents to every aspect of our lives, or will we hit a point where human control needs to be reasserted? The next year is going to be a defining stretch for the future of artificial intelligence. The foundation has been laid, the architecture for agents is being tested, and now we're approaching the moment where those ideas become daily tools, embedded, autonomous, and increasingly indispensable. That's your League Update. Stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next one.